Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. Today I have for you fruit for thought. So this is one of the boxes I always have a problem opening. I never remember which way the top, oh, I remembered. There we go. So it opens like this. I don't know how much this cost. I'll put it on the screen. But let's dig into it. So I open it up and this is what I see. October theme, coffee and apple pie. That sounds delicious. So it does tell you what's in here, but it doesn't tell you how much things cost. So let's just dig on in. So the first thing I am pulling out is Sniffits scented paper clips. And mocha? That's interesting.
I don't know that one.
Alexa, stop. So they're paper clips and these things smell. That's interesting. Let's open it if I can. All right, so that's what they look like. And they do smell. They smell like chocolate or mocha or whatever. So, oop, and one fell out. But those are super cute. Interesting. I've never seen anything like that. The next thing I am pulling out is, it says, I don't know what it says. I can't read it. Scrub something. New Hampshire, and it's caffeinated under eye balm. And there's a flower stuck to it. But this is what it looks like. Let's see if I can, oh, okay, it doesn't smell like anything. No, it doesn't really smell like anything, but that's what it looks like. Kind of looks like a little deodorant stick. Let's see, does this say what it is? So it says help for under eye puffiness and inflammation. Comes your way with this adorable roll-on made with fair trade ground coffee beans by Scrub It at Etsy. Okay. I'm not entirely sure. I'll try to figure it out. I don't know. The next thing I am pulling out is Salted Rock Room and Linen Spray, apple pie. Yep, that smells like apple pie. That's nice. I like that. The next thing I am pulling out here is Blue Heron Farm homemade apple pie lotion. That's cute. It does smell like apple pie. Wow, that's amazing. The next thing I'm pulling out is Studio Pop Apple Pie Pen, and that's what it looks like. I will probably just pass that along. I don't wear pens, so I'll just pass it along. The next thing I am pulling, oh, these are cute. Friday Sock Co. Designed in Canada, ethically made in Italy. And they are socks. They have coffee on one side, and then they have coffee beans on the other. Those are cute. I'll keep those. And then the next thing I am pulling out is Bare Naked Crunchy Fiji and Reds, and they are apple chips. And they are kind of pretty crushed, so that'll be interesting to open. The next thing I am pulling out is a caramel apple cowtail. Yum. Oh my goodness, there's a couple. They just kind of fall into the bottom. Lots of cowtails. Is this it? Okay, and then the last thing I'm pulling out is baked apple pie. Spice, yummy apple pie. Okay. Recommended uses. Okay, wait, how to use. Place scented sachet. Is that how you say that? I don't know, is that how you say it? Anywhere you would like to enjoy the enhancement of fragrance, be careful to avoid eye contact with some textures and surfaces as explained in the warning. Okay, so you just kind of like, you put them in drawers or you could put them in the closet and it'll just kind of, I have a hair on my mouth, it'll just kind of like, make everything smell good. Let's see. It sounds loose though. It doesn't sound like it's contained. So let me, oh, I guess it does feel loose. So maybe I'm just supposed to keep this closed. I should probably do that because you can smell it through there. So, okay. All right. So that was fruit of the month and I'm happy with this box. I think I've been happier with other boxes, but I mean, this box wasn't too bad. Got some food that I will definitely eat. I don't know. This is pretty crushed, but all right. I'm good to go. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing and I will talk to you later. Have a great day. Bye.